In order to create drop-down list menu in Microsoft Excel, come to the cell that you want to create the drop-down list menu. And from here we have two questions: which day of the week you enjoy much, and do you like our services? I'm going to show you two different ways in order to create the drop-down list menu. And so the first, I'm gonna bind a data sheet. I'm coming down and I'm gonna add a data sheet, and from here I'm typing Monday, and in order fill the days automatically, I'm coming to the Monday cell and dragging all the way down until find the day Sunday. Okay, I'm coming back to my questionnaire sheet, and from the above menu I'm coming to data tab, and from the data tools I'm selecting data validation. From the opening window we are selecting allow list. I'm selecting the source. I'm coming to the sheet of weekdays and I'm selecting from Monday till Sunday. Clicking OK, and as you can see now we have a small drop down icon. Let's open it, and as you can see we have all the weekdays. Let's say I'm gonna create my favorite day of the week, which I enjoy. It's Friday, and I have selected the value. Let's change the value by typing something else. I'm going to type none and press enter. And as you can see, Microsoft Excel does not allow to enter another data rather than the one that I have selected from the datasheet range. You can cancel. And also I'm going to show you the second way that you can bind the drop-down list data. Once again, I'm coming to the cell that I want to create the drop-down. And from the above menu, I'm coming to data tab. From here, once again, from data tools, I'm selecting data validation. And from the opening window, once again, from the allow, we're coming to list, and from the source, this time we're gonna type two different answers, yes, and we're gonna separate them with comma and no. Press OK, and as you can see, the drop down icon appears next to my cell. Let's see, we have yes and we have no. And this is how simple you can create your drop down list menu in Microsoft Excel. Thanks for watching. If you like this video, please hit the like button. And if you're not subscribed to my channel, please subscribe in order to see more future contents. Thank you for watching me, and I will see you in my next video. Until then, have a nice day. Bye.